Think car paint is just color from a can? Not even close. It's a multi-layer chemical shield that takes a daily hit from UV rays, road salt, and extreme temperature swings. Ready to look deeper? Let's go. Any pro in a body shop will tell you one thing. Cut corners on the chemistry, and in a season you'll get spiderweb cracks, bubbling, or peeling after the first wash. So what's really inside this magic? Remember this, car paint is not just one layer. It's a precisely engineered formula, 4 key components working together. First, the binder or resin system, usually polyurethane or acrylic resins. They form the polymer network, the skeleton of the coating. Second, pigment, micron-sized particles that give you color and hiding power. Third, solvent. It controls viscosity so the spray gun creates a perfect mist, then evaporates without a trace. Fourth, additives. Curing agents, UV stabilizers, flex agents. And finally, clear coat, an invisible armor against scratches, acid rain, and washes. Why do proportions matter? Too little resin, the film becomes brittle and starts cracking. Skip UV stabilizers, the color fades fast and turns chalky. After spraying, the solvent evaporates and the polymers cross-link into a solid film. That's why climate control matters in paint shops. Humidity and temperature. Get it wrong and you get defects like fisheyes, orange peel, and cratering. Molecular bonds don't like drafts. Understand the chemistry and you understand how long the finish will last. This isn't cosmetic work, it's durability engineering. Ever had paint start peeling after a budget repair? Drop your story, let's break it down. And follow for more, there's a lot more coming.